arts can cultivate community. And what they did first was going around in Nerima and interviewed people who lives around here and what represents Nerima. Because they wanted to be instigating from Aoba to connect with Nerima community. And they came up many responses and reflection about Nerima, and students realized Nerima represents nature and also great talking, and also some of the group went into like Aoba community, and then they had to learn the color palettes, color theories to make sure each fence will be cohesive. So not like different colors going on a different fence. So even though they're a working group, they have to also collaborate with each group to communicate what color palettes will work with other, like next panel. So now they're in the final product. They just need to produce it and apply it.
Great, that's good stuff. Thank you.